Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial 2 ways to quit the reminders application on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application reminders, which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the reminders application. Press enter to open up the application. And now let's just say we have used the application, created all the reminders, added them to lists, and finished all the reminders for the day or for the week or maybe month, even a year. We now want to, let's just say, close the application. How would we do that? Go to the top toolbar, click on reminders, click on quit. So that's number 1, how to quit the reminders application. Now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to the reminders application. We can use a keyboard shortcut, Command and Q, to quit the application. There we go. So that's 2 ways on how to quit the reminders application on a Mac computer. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.